Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Butterman for CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. I want to talk about something that is a little bit annoying in the software, and it has to do when we have a strong penetration with the crown and the tissue around it. Now, we all know that those red areas are penetration into tissues, and normally we don't have to deal with it or remove it, but sometimes we can't really tell that there's a problem here. So what I like to do is, under Analyze Tools, I just take off restoration contacts. Now we can see that divot. We can see that area where the crown was actually moved away from the tissue, and that allows us to go with our form and our smooth tool, and we can just fix those areas very quickly. So whenever I have a crown that has a penetration into the tissue, whenever I see a heavy red spot, I always assume that it's going to create a divot or a problem on my restoration. So I just go under Analyze Tools, turn off restoration contacts, and then I can actually see what's going on with my crown and I can fix those areas. So I hope this information was helpful, and if you would like to see more, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.